There is no greater agony than captivity of dependence, and there is no greater ecstasy than the freedom of independence. A very warm welcome to our school superintendent, Madam Swapna Trailokya, our principal in charge, Madam Brinalini Mhatre, teachers, and all my dear students, as we celebrate with great joy our Independence Day today. Let us start this celebration by hoisting our national flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
With the dawn of independence, India has emerged to be the largest democracy in the world. After being ruled by British for years, India finally gained its hard-fought independence on August 15, 1947. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, said on the night of August 15. Today is a day when we feel proud of and celebrate our victory in the struggle for independence. This is a day of joy and happiness for all Indians, irrespective of where they reside in any part of the world. It is also a day on which we remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more such great heroes of our nation who sacrificed their lives for independence. We also remember our valiant soldiers and security forces and thank them for their bravery and commitment. On this Independence Day, we shall also thank our doctors, physicians, nurses, and all the essential workers and volunteers bravely serving our community each day during the COVID-19 pandemic. As they are fighting the risk of infection and serving the nation tirelessly, it becomes important for all of us to thank them for their selfless service. It adds to our pride and self-esteem to continually remember the idealism and value that govern a great nation like ours. As India discovers herself again during these tough times, we need to augment on the value system. We need to come together to develop a nation of harmony, peace, and development. We need to build a legacy that is free from the prevalent negativity, free from oppression, free from prejudice and corruption. Our preamble to the Constitution says, "We the people, not I." The journey from I to we, in my mind, is a journey of triumph, of progress and advancement. Let us all strive to be on this journey. As Ravindranath Tagore rightly said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country await. Jai Hind. Let's gear up for the beautiful start of the program by calling our little fairies for a wonderful patriotic dance performance.
After the wonderful dance performance, we shall now have patriotic songs by our little singers.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं, क्या देखे उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं। चांद की दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना, नए जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं। नया खून है, नई उमंग है, अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आओ मेहनत को अपना ईमान बनाए, अपने हाथों को अपना भगवान बनाए। राम की इस धरती को, गौतम की भूमि को, सपनों से भी प्यारा हिंदुस्तान बनाए। नया खून है, नई उमंग है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। जय हिंद। वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। This is the thought that is going on in the hearts and minds of all the frontline workers who are working tirelessly and serving our country. Let us watch a video which is a tribute to our country's COVID warriors.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
She is lab technician. She
mother name is Vandana Kanade. She is staff nurse in hospital. My father name is Vilas Kanade. He is a teacher. He is doing duty in control room at Eastward. I am taking care of myself. They both are on duty. I am proud of them and I salute them as a COVID-19 warriors. And my mother get this certificate from hospital. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai COVID warrior. Thank you. My name is Manasvi Patpure. My school name is Parle Tilak Vidyalaya Association English Medium School. I study in Standard 4. My father name is Sachin Dattaram Patpure. My name is Sudhir Patpure. My school name is Parle Tilak Vidyalaya Association. I study in Standard 4. My father name is Sachin Dattaram Patpure. My father is a policeman and he has served the nation during COVID-19 pandemic. And we are proud of him. Thank you.
I am finding very lucky as my mother is staff nurse. She is working in trauma hospital. As my father is also working in Metropolis lab. My mother and father, both of them working in Corona warrior. I salute them and their very good work. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
A rainbow is beautiful not because it has different colors. It is beautiful because those different colors shine together. They complement each other to create beauty through the gloomy sky. That's the power and magic of unity in diversity. That's what makes our India so special. Let us see the display of slogans by our children that conveys the message of unity in diversity.
Unity in diversity helps everyone to stand together.
Diversity creates beauty and immense strength. Unity in diversity is better than unity in similarity.